In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to do a factory reset on a Fire TV. For this video, we are using a Bush Fire TV. This video applies to other versions of the Fire TV, but the user interface may look slightly different depending on the brand of your television. A factory reset can help resolve problems with your television. For example, if your television is freezing or not connecting to online services. Please note, a factory reset will clear any data that you have stored on the television, and you will need to reconnect your Wi-Fi network once the reset is complete. From the home screen, scroll along to Settings, then scroll down and along to Device and Software. Press OK on the remote and scroll down to Reset to Factory Defaults. Next, press OK on the remote and scroll left to reset. Finally, press OK on the remote to confirm you would like to reset the television. The television will then proceed to reset and take you to the first time installation screen.